Hello and welcome. Once again, this is electricalaccess.com, and today we're going to discuss the third part of the series in Fundamentals of Electricity. The topic that we are going to discuss right now is Ohm's Law. This is a very short video, but the impact of this topic in subsequent electrical problems is very high, since the calculations in electrical engineering adheres to this principle. But before we continue, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get connected. Now, Ohm's law describes the way the current flows through a material when different levels of voltage are applied. Some materials like electrical wires offers a very little resistance to the current flow, and this type of materials is a conductor. Now, if the conductor, this one, is to be connected between the voltage supply and a load, then a current will flow. Ohm's law states that the current flowing in a circuit is directly proportional to the applied voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance in the circuit. It adheres to the formula I is equals to V over R or V is equals to IR, where V stands for the voltage, I is for the electric current, and R stands for the resistance. By the way, the voltage that I am referring here means both the EMF and the voltage drop. I'm going to discuss the difference between EMF and the voltage drop later on in the next videos, since the example that we are going to discuss right now is only a simple problem that involves a single resistance. Now at this point, we're going to discuss some example. An electric circuit has a supply voltage of 120 volts and resistance of 40 ohms. What is the value of electric current? Now in this problem, we are looking for the value of this quantity. We are going to apply the formula V equals IR and transform it to I equals V over R because we are looking for I. And in this case, we are going to use the operation of division. Now substituting values 120 over 40, then the value will be 3 amperes. Therefore, the electric current that is flowing all throughout the circuit is 3 ampere. Now next problem, an electric circuit has a supply voltage of 12 volts and a current of 0.6 ampere. Now, what is the value of the resistance? So in this case, 0.6 ampere is flowing in this circuit and it is given. What we are looking for is the value of the resistance in the circuit. So again, we are going to use the Ohm's law triangle, and we can find that the operation that we are going to use is division, V over I. So substituting values, 12 volts divided by 0.6 ampere, and we can get a value of 20 ohms. And so we can see that the Ohm's law is very simple. However, we need to understand its concept because all calculations in electrical engineering adheres to this principle. And so, thank you for watching. I hope you learned from this very short video. So please subscribe and get connected. Thank you very much.